Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is likely to go up for quite some time to make a wave W, which is actually part of the three ways up for wave W, three waves down for wave X, and three waves up for the wave Y. So I think this wave Y will likely go up and retest these highs right here, probably someplace around the 0.81, 0.82 area is my target for that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is the wave A. I think this is the wave B, and I think we're now at a wave C. So that makes this a wave 1 of wave C. This is a big ABC correction, so wave 2 of wave C. I do still think this needs to go up and make a wave 3, 4, and 5 of wave C to form that wave Y pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we broke structure to the upside way back here, we definitely have still been looking for longs on the sort of time frames. We are at the high of wave B. Sometimes that definitely is the area where we get the first pullback, like the first significant pullback. Eventually, we probably will have to make like a wave 1 and then a big correction for like a wave 2 and then a wave 3. But until it actually breaks structure to the downside, the trend is definitely up, and we don't know that it's going to end here. It could possibly end up quite a bit further from here. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is definitely still right here. If it breaks that structure to the downside, then fine, I will definitely start looking for shorts. Might even be the beginning of a big correction like a wave 2, which would be a correction to this whole move up. On the other hand, if it doesn't break, which it definitely hasn't broken yet, then I definitely will continue to look for longs. There is definitely still a chance that it will just keep on going up. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. We really don't even have a break of structure to the downside yet or anything, and it kind of looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like a wave 4, and maybe perhaps it's going to try to go up one more time for wave 5. Maybe grab this higher Fibonacci level. But like I said, if it does go down, if it does break this 100% level, this structure level right here, then that definitely will turn me into a seller. But until that happens, I would for sure continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.